As the name implies, Cascade Quad Lounge features benches with Matrix 50 Ultra Soft vinyl in all four corners. Quad Lounge gives you maximum options for seating, lounging, storage, and even weight distribution throughout the boat. Cascade Quad Lounge has many power performance options, but comes standard with an Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stand with soft touch black recessed dash, featuring a tack, voltmeter, fuel gauges, GPS, speedometer, Fusion high power stereo, and plenty of USB inputs and charge ports. Personalize your electronic systems from the long list of electronics upgrades. Cascade Quad Lounge is, simply put, comfortable versatility. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign 2 helm stand with gray wood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.